Right, just a quick unboxing of the Power Probes Europe's Ultra Probe. That's the box for it. What comes in it is the normal Power Probe sort of stuff, extension cable. You've got a cigar adapter, which I really like. The standard spare wire, and also obviously the Ultra Probe. So just a quick run through. You've got light adjustment on and off, save a bit of battery power. The sound, you look in there, turn it on, there's a little cross tells you it's off. If you go back, you've got the latch on and off, and pulse, which is, I really like these. I had these on the hook and love them. And then you go through the menu. I'm still learning this, so bear with me. So off, and then go to other functions, and what you have is ohms test. Obviously you're using the earth lead with the tip and to measure it, like all the other Power Probes. You got the hertz range to test, high peak, average, low peak. Let's just show them. But when you actually go into them, they just like just go like high peak, and then it's back to okay, and it tells you, just goes in there, and then it'll just hold it and tell you what the highest was, and then up to refresh it. The only one I've had to look the instructions up is for threshold. Threshold is for set your what peak to peak up on it. That's it. And you set your what settings you want it to go across the threshold difference between. And then save, which back. And then, but it doesn't hold it there. Let's try that on. That's the technical specs on it. You can see it alright. Just pause it. And it comes with quite good instructions.